Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS ScanWatch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the WITHINGS HealthMate application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the WITHINGS Health application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So first, let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's find the option called Bluetooth, and once you find it, tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on this list there should be ScanWatch 2. Once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, and here there should be an option called Share System Notifications. As you can see, we're missing this option. So let's close the settings for now. Open the WITHINGS HealthMate application on our iPhone, of course. In the app, tap on the device icon in the top right corner, and here wait until it's done synchronizing. And once it's done, tap on notifications. And I'm gonna turn on the notifications. I'm gonna tap on the switch and wait. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the pop-up on the screen about the permissions. Once you see it, tap on allow. Okay, now we can go back for now and close the app. Open the settings again. Tap on Bluetooth. Tap on the info icon. And here, as you can see, we have the Share System Notifications option. Make sure that this option is enabled. It needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. If it's enabled, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down and find the WITHINGS HealthMate app on the list of apps. Tap on it, and here, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, close the settings. And now let's go back to the WITHINGS HealthMate application. So let's open it again. Tap on the device icon and tap on notifications. If your notifications are turned off, enable them, and here you will see the list of applications you can basically enable the notifications for. And we have the App Store, Apple Maps, FaceTime, Home, and stuff like that. If you enable the notifications for messages and phone, basically it will notify you about the messages and the calls. As you can see, there's not many applications on this list. We can enable the notifications for, which is a bit weird, but we're gonna check if it's working with Discord soon, even though the Discord is not on the list here. But once you're done enabling the notifications, you can go back, make sure that the watch synchronized with your iPhone, and then we can close the app. And now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and hopefully it works with Discord, even though it is not on the list. But if it's not working, that means that the notifications only work for the applications that are on the list right in the WITHINGS HealthMate app. Okay, let's check the watch, and as you can see, the notification didn't appear on our watch. I'm gonna open the WITHINGS HealthMate again and tap on the device icon. Tap on notifications. Okay, so that's how it works. So if you don't see the app on the list right here, it will appear after you receive the notifications from it. After you, of course, enable the notifications right here. So if you enable the notifications in the WITHINGS HealthMate app and you want to receive the notifications from different app, of course, on your watch, you need to first receive the notification from that app on your iPhone, and that app will appear right here on the list. Then you can enable the notifications. We can go back, close the app, and now I'm gonna send another notification. And as you can see, now it's working. So that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.